Hello viewers, welcome back to the Cakers channel. If you would like to see the behind the scenes of the making of beautiful cakes for all occasion and learn a lot about cake decorating while you watch, then this is the channel for you. Please like this video, share with your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Remember to turn your notification bells on so you know each time I make a new post. Pause the video, scan that QR code to see my other social media platforms. Today we are going to be decorating some beautiful vanilla cake layers. As you can see, I keep my cake layers all wrapped up in cling film once I bake them and they're still warm. This helps me to trap moisture in my cakes, and as you can see, those cake layers are absolutely soft and fluffy. We're starting by putting a small amount of buttercream on the cake board just to help to hold the cake in place. I then leveled the top of my cake with a serrated knife and I'm filling it with my beautiful, soft and silky mock Swiss buttercream. We're going 3 layers in height and I'm just filling in some gaps just to ensure that my cake is as level as it can be before I even move on to the next step. This is where we are crumb coating the cake now. A crumb coat is just a thin layer of buttercream applied to the cake at first to trap any crumb in, so that when we get on to applying the final coat of buttercream, it will be crumb free. Once we crumb coat our cake, I sat it in the fridge to let it chill for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here I am applying a second layer of thicker buttercream. This layer of buttercream will not have any crumb in it because my first layer is well chilled. Once this coat of buttercream is on, I went around it a few times with my cake smoother, and as you can see me trying to get some sharp edges on the top with my offset spatula. These are tools that are very important in your cake decorating journey. Cake is going to be chilled now while I prepare the toppers for this cake. So all my lovely clients said to me was, I want something with a bright color and I want butterflies. And you're gonna see what your girl designed for her. Her daughter absolutely loved it, and this person is a repeated client of mine, and my product is top notch, so I'm sure that she will always be a repeated client. This lovely butterfly set, I bought it from Amazon. I'll leave a link to the products that I'm using in this video down below. Remember, if you purchase any product using my links in the description box, I do make a small commission and it adds no extra cost to you. These are some lovely geode cake heart. So it's just like a cake pop, but I made it in a geode heart mold. Fill it with some chocolate, fill it with some cake pop batter, and set it in the fridge. Now I am coloring the buttercream that I'm going to be using for the final coat. And what I'm using there is my candy color from Color Mill to give me that beautiful pinkish color. I had some pink buttercream left over, so I'm just adding it to the mix to just change the color a bit, and I'm happy with that color. I then went ahead and I popped my buttercream in the microwave for about 10 seconds just to soften it a bit. And doing this helps my final coat of buttercream to go on so smoothly without me having to use a whole lot of excess buttercream. As you can see, it's very soft, it's very smooth and easy to be applied to my cake. Once all the buttercream is on, I'm going around the cake several times just to get those sides nice and smooth. Smooth sides on your cake, very important. And this is how I create sharp edges on the top. I just carefully pull the excess buttercream that was raised above the height of the cake to the center of the cake using my offset spatula. And as you can see, that helps me to create beautiful sharp edges. Watch again as I do this process. Play back if needed, because this is a very important step. You need very neat finishes on your cakes to help them to look very professional. The cake is all nice and neat now. I'm cleaning up my cake board and time to apply all those beautiful butterflies that I just prepped. So I'm just randomly placing them here and there. Yes, I do have a final design in mind as to what I want the cake to be looking like when I'm done. But this is the point where you let your creative juices flow. Just put things here, put things there, and you will see if it is looking right. And if it's not, just move things around again. And in the end, you will come up with a design that you are absolutely proud of. As you can see here, I'm adding quite a bit of sprinkles around the cake. There are many ways to add sprinkles to your cake, and I'm going to share a few. You can add a bit of shortening to your fingers, or Trex, that's what it's known as in some states. Just add a bit of shortening to your finger, or buttercream actually. Tap your finger on the sprinkles and then tap it on the cake, and they will stick well. You can also stay from a distance and dash the sprinkles on, depending on the effect you're trying to create. That's me popping on my little geode heart to the front of the cake, and I'm just looking to see that, hey, everything is looking nice, adding some more sprinkles to make everything all come together. That's my beautiful happy birthday cake topper. I try to give a cake topper that says happy birthday with most of my cakes. If my clients need customized cake toppers, then they will order it at an additional cost. I am just finishing off the cake with a beautiful piping around the border, and I'll then go ahead and add some more pipings here and there to just bring the design together. I added some more pipings, I added some more sprinkles, and yeah, I'm loving the cake, and this is the final look. My client absolutely loved it. Her daughter enjoyed her celebration. I went ahead and I added a tiny name tag that I made out of fondant, and everything was just perfect. If you did like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more beautiful cake decorating videos. Until next time, keep on baking.